Hi, everybody. It's Connie from the Danville Public Library. And guess what we're doing this week? Oh, yeah, dinosaurs. Oh, for sure. And your craft this week is dinosaur eggs. And we have a video on that on YouTube. So look that up. Everything you need is going to be in your packet. And it says just add water. It has dino snacks. It has a baby dinosaur. And that's your craft for this week. So, our snack needs to be dinosaur related. Well, how many of you have eggs in your fridge? I'll bet a lot of you. So today we're just going to boil some eggs. Now you get somebody to help you with this, but these are just plain old boiled eggs, and that's all they are. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take, well, how many ever containers you want. I have something that's green, I have red, and I have purple. And you put water in a container, you add your food coloring, and I mix blue and red to get purple, and then this is kind of red, and this is bright green. And when you're finished, you have dinosaur eggs that look like this. Cool dinosaur eggs, and you can eat them. But how do you get them? Well, just take an egg and drop it down. Take another egg and drop it down. Take another egg and smack it with your hand. Hit it with your head. Drop it down. And then take your fingers and make some little put little punch marks like this. Oh, all over. Then I'm going to do the other one. Punch mark. Oh, punch them in. Just a little. Be gentle, but there you go. Oh, got to punch them in. Now, I'm going to put this egg here, and it's going to be purple. I'm going to put this egg here, and it's going to be red. Oh, I have one here. Oh, he needs some little punch marks. He needs a little cracking. Oh, there we go. He looks good. And I'm going to put him in the green. Then, take a lid, put a lid on it, put a lid on it, put a lid on it, and put it in the refrigerator for at least 5 hours or overnight. Then, when you take them out, you just put your egg on a piece of paper towel, and you're going to need these for sure because this is a little messy. Put it on a piece of paper towel and peel it, and then you have dinosaur eggs, and you can eat them for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack. And you can take pictures of them and show them to your friends, and aren't they just really cool? Have fun, get messy, get some paper towels, you're going to need them, and make some dinosaur eggs. And let us know, put it on Facebook, and let us know how yours turn out. We'd love to see yours. Take some pictures. We miss you. See you soon, we hope, and have some dino fun this week. Bye, guys.